Today we'll show you how to clean up the print on your DM100, DM125, DM200, and DM225 postage machines. Over time, these machines' printers can become clogged with coagulated ink, causing a smeared print, partial print, or removing the impression entirely. Fortunately, this can often be remedied in just a few simple steps. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure that you have a wet paper towel and a few cotton swabs. You want to make sure that the paper towel is lint-free, not a Kleenex or facial tissue, as the lint in those products can flake off and make your print problems worse. Any standard cotton swab is fine. I have some long-stemmed ones here, but a standard Q-tip should work just as well. We'll start by cleaning the print head. First, lift the cover to access the print system. On the screen, there will be an option to replace ink tank. Select this option using the button to the left of the screen, and the print carriage will move forward. Once the carriage is forward, undo the green latch. Remove the ink cartridge from the print carriage and set it aside. Be sure to keep the bottom side up to keep ink from leaking. Once the ink cartridge is out, grab the gray tabs at the top of the print head. Squeezing them inward, gently pull the print head up and out of the machine. After removing the print head, turn it over, and using a wet paper towel, remove any coagulated ink buildup. Reinstall the print head and ink tank. Then secure the green clip and shut the top lid. Back on the main screen, set the postage amount to 0 and run a test print through the machine. If it comes out looking okay, you're ready to run mail. If poor print persists, continue to the next step. Now we'll clean the wiper blade. First, lift the cover to access the print system. On the screen, there will be an option to replace ink tank. Select this option using the button to the left of the screen, and the tank will move forward. The printer carriage should now move freely. Without removing the cartridge, gently push it toward the back of the machine. Looking down into the machine, you'll see the wiper blade. Using a Q-tip, clean away as much buildup from the wiper blade as possible. When finished, shut the top lid. On the main screen, set postage for $0 and run a test print through the machine. If it comes out looking okay, you're ready to run mail. If your print still isn't clear, continue to the final step. From the home screen, press the Options key. Using the Page Down key, navigate until you see the Advanced Features option on the screen. Then, select it. Select Maintenance Mode, select Printer Maintenance, select Purge, and select Purge C. Once the machine is finished purging, it will prompt you for a test print. Run a blank mail piece or label through the machine and compare it to the prints displayed on the screen. If the test print looks okay, press the green Yes key. You are finished. If the print does not look okay, press the red No key. The machine will now perform Purge A and ask you to run another test print. If the test print looks okay, press the green Yes key. You are finished. If it does not look okay, press the red No key. The machine will now perform another purge and ask you to run another test print. Repeat this process 3 times, and if print quality does not improve, call your local Pitney Bowes dealer for a replacement printhead or service call.